The use of onion juice for hair growth has become a popular trend for those seeking a remedy for unexplained hair loss. Onion juice, quite simply, is pressed from the onion plant, which comes in a variety of species in the Allium genus. One of the most widely available vegetables in the world, onions contain a rich supply of vitamin C, various B family vitamins, sulfur, calcium, iron, potassium, manganese, phosphorus, and magnesium, as well as other antioxidants, phenolic compounds, and anthocyanins. This dense nutrient profile can have a number of effects on the body, including for hair growth. It is popular to make your own onion juice for hair growth at home. Here is how to make onion juice without blender and juicer. Ingredient: 2 to 3 medium-size onions, a sharp knife, a grater, strainer, a medium-sized glass jar. Instructions: start the process by peeling off an onion. Place the peeled onion in the sink under running water to rinse it. This step will help you clean the vegetable properly by getting rid of all types of dirt and flecks of skin. Take a fresh paper towel and pat the onion dry. Cut the dried onion into end-to-end quarters using a sharp knife. Use a grater. Rub the whole onion against the fine side of the grater. Grab the rounded end of the onion, if left intact. With your free hand, press the flat end that once attached to the root to the top of the fine side of the grater. Move the onion in a downward motion over the holes to grate it. Continue to press the onion against the grater, moving it up and down over the holes, until you have grated the entire onion. Transfer the onion into the strainer. Press the onion pulp through the strainer. Collect the fresh juice and transfer it to a glass jar for further use.